How to save a video on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can see the chat list with your friends on Snapchat. Now, tap on a friend from the list. As you can see, a video has been shared in this chat. Press and hold the video. Now, tap on Save in Chat to save the video in this chat so it doesn't disappear later. If you want to save the video to your phone, press and hold the video again. Then, tap on Save to Camera Roll. You have now successfully saved the video in your phone. Following these steps, you can easily save a video on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any question related to the video.